back on site. Just hit the basketball hoop. Scraped her down a little bit. Hopefully she'll buff out. We're fighting the weather. Foundation strip poured, blocks are all in. Looks really good, really good. Super happy. They got 2 loads of crusher run to do this apron, 2 loads of gravel to go around. Backhoe still here fighting this weather, so let's get to it. Love the backhoe, hate the backhoe. It's doing a fine job. Goes good in the mud, 4-wheel drive, ball tires. Getting the edging. Put it in here again. We have this big rock here. I'll work around that, but all this is working good. Water should go out, and this will all get topsoil probably springtime. Keep plugging along. Backhoe's doing a fine job grading out. Once you get used to it, I don't use it much, but once you're used to it and get the grading technique, she works. Two good backhoe operators that have channels. Neil Kof, he runs backhoe, and Frank from Digging OK. Check out their channels. Neil Kof DIY, Dig Drive DIY, his channel, and if you guys like backhoes, head on over to those two channels. going to scratch in this electric line. It doesn't have to go too deep because we already are 16 inches off that corner, but that's going to get all backfilled. So I'm just going to scrape the mud off. You can run the conduit and then it can get backfilled up to the top. Let me get this, well, we'll put it right here for now. It's going to go right to that corner. Right there. Then we're good. Good to go. Little hump right here. This part up with the, we want to hit that conduit right there. Nice and nice. Alright, just spreading the crusher up to the garage doors. Oh yeah. Jon Deere power, baby. Push right through that pile. Take that solder off. This was already boxed out, and I already had stone in here, round stone, but we got enough. We'll box out the, whoa, let's get her. We'll box out and get some more parking over that way, which we should with 2 loads. Looks it anyways. Gotta be careful with that electric trench now. Don't backfill that trench. Scraperoo. We are on bedrock here. This was where that ledge was, so we're just getting the sod off. We'll stockpile it here for now for when we till it up in the spring. It's just way too muddy right now. Got my trench, that's gonna get backfilled in there. Then this crusher run goes up to the doorway there for a sidewalk. Everything is graded out, the best the backhoe is gonna do. Spring when we put that lawn in, if he has me come back, topsoil for the lawn. Probably need another load just to skim it. There's a lot of rocks on the top. But this all come out great. Could get a mower through here, no problem. Really happy with that. Really, really happy. Blocks come out good. Big shout out to Carl. Crazy Carl. Everything's nice and nice. Everything will drain fine and have no issues.